Hello, Blue Evans here. Today I'm with Marietta Marine. Going to be showing you the 2017 JC the Spirit 221 TriToon. This has the sport package on it, which has the lifting strakes and a higher transom rating. Ski tow bar. 4-step fold down swim ladder, boarding ladder, powered by the Suzuki 140 4-stroke, stainless steel prop, bimini top, got your docking lights, and then the nav lights, optional tandem axle galvanized trailer with brakes for $4,195 plus tax. Board the front, the bow. Scan around your starboard side here. Chase lounge. Fiberglass console with a gauge package, your volts, miles per hour, fuel, RPMs with a built-in hour meter, trim gauge, horn, multi-function engine monitor gauge, water pressure gauge, tilt steering over hydraulic, Clarion CMD8 with 4 speakers, AM, FM, Bluetooth. It's rated for 14 people. Nice big captain's chair with a recliner and armrest. Rear exit with an open stern. Scan around the rest of the interior here for you. For more information on the 2017 Spirit Sport 221, contact us at 770-720-2922 or visit us at our showroom dealership located at 1500 Kellogg Creek Road, and that's Acworth, Georgia 30102, or visit us online at www.mariettamarine.com. Thank you for watching.